On event day, when you come into the event, you'll be presented with our banner across the top of the page. That's the indicator that you need to know you're in the right spot. We are also going to have a live stream here, so you'll see music from some of our favorite entertainers, interviews with some of our participating artists, as well as a few clippings of footage from events gone by. It's going to allow us all to reminisce a little bit about how events were before 2020. But the real exciting part of this event is being able to engage with our vendors. We have vendors that have participated in all of our shows across Colorado and New Mexico, and they've all created virtual booths. You'll be able to toggle through the images that they've provided of their work, of themselves, and any promotions that they're doing. You'll notice that we can click through and shop their website. So this will allow you to link right to their products and make purchases on their pages. Any artist who's active will be listed as live. This will allow you to join a video chat so you can get face to face. Think of it as walking into their booth and having a quick conversation. BoothCentral is going to help you ensure that your technology is ready to go. So first we're going to check our browser. Using these red buttons, we can be walked through these various steps to say, hey, good news, your browser is supported. You can check your video, make sure that you look good and your mic is on, and then you can go right into that video chat. The wonderful thing about the video chat is you're being brought right into our artists' homes, into their studios, so that you can see them live and in person. A couple of features that you have here in this video chat is the ability to expand to full screen using this button in the upper right-hand corner of the screen. You can also turn on and off your video or your microphone if you need to. If you need to leave the chat or leave the video booth, you can always chat and say hello, leave your contact information to be added to the mailing list, communicate about something that you're purchasing online, etc., using the chat button in the lower left-hand portion of the screen. Once you've wrapped up your conversation, you can say thanks and use the leave button in the lower right-hand corner of the screen to exit back to the main event page. Here you'll be able to engage with additional vendors. One thing I will point out is you can always use the help button in the lower left-hand corner of the screen to chat and get help from anyone at BoothCentral if you're having technical challenges. But we hope to see all of you on Small Business Saturday, November 28th from 10 to 5 p.m. This will take place on boothcentral.com. Come out and visit us. It's been a tough year for artists. It's been a tough year for the art world in general, and especially small business owners like many of these artists. So come find a great, unique piece of work that you can gift to one of your favorite family members during this holiday season. We'll see you next week.